The type of water filtration system that you bring on your backpacking trip doesn't matter. Well, not totally. What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel where I explore all the ins and outs of backpacking. In today's video, we're diving into the world of water filtration systems, the essential tool that keeps us healthy and hydrated while we're on trail. There are many different types of water filtration systems, and each have their special qualities to fit certain backpacking styles. Today we have an exciting lineup of what I would say is probably the three most common types of water filtration systems. So with that, let's get right into it. So I thought I'd start today's video with probably the most bold and exciting one. So this is the Grail Ultra Press. This water filter, as you can see, literally looks like a water bottle because it basically is. Now, this definitely is a heavier option. It's right around 12.5 ounces, but its features absolutely make up for it. As I said earlier, this thing's basically a water bottle. So what you do is while you're on trail, you just scoop up some water, you put it in here, and then you open up the cap and you squeeze down, and it automatically filters the water for you. It's super cool because basically as soon as you have pressed it down onto here, it's filtered the water and it's ready to go. And you don't have to put it into anything. It's ready to drink from here. It keeps all the clean water in a separate container. Not only does this thing filter out like the bacteria and the protozoa like other water filter companies do, but this Grail also filters out viruses, which we don't really have to worry about very much in America. But if you're in other countries backpacking or just even going to another country, it might even be handy to pick this thing up just so you can kind of filter the hotel water or whatever the case may be. So the area that I would say the Grail Ultra Press water filter really stands out in would have to be the convenience and the speed. You just simply scoop up some water, push down for 5 to 10 seconds, whatever it takes, and it's ready to drink and carry along with you. Not only does this thing look super cool and awesome, but it's also super durable, and you can tell that when you pick it up, it just feels like something's gonna last you a very long time. Now, one of the downsides, like I said earlier, is it is pretty heavy. It's 12.5 ounces, so if that's something you're looking at, maybe don't look for it. Also, it is rather expensive. I believe this one's right around $90? Yeah, so it's right around $70 to $90. So it is one of the expensive options, but like I said, viruses, it's ready to go once you squeeze it through. So the Grail Ultra Press water filter is absolutely awesome, and I've used it a lot of times. Hey guys, before we go on to the second water filtration system, I'd just like to take a second to thank you guys for watching this video. Your support means the world to me. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button, hit that like button, because I really appreciate it. Now, the second water filtration system, I'm sure that if you've backpacked for any amount of time, you've heard of it, you've known it, you've probably used it. It is the Sawyer Squeeze water filtration system. Now, the thing that really stands out with this water filtration system is its weight. It is a featherweight champion. It comes in right around 3 ounces, so this thing is definitely a great choice if you are worried about that weight in your pack. Now, I'm not exactly sure what is all considered the 3 ounces, like maybe if you bring along one of the extra lids that they provide, it might be a little more than 3 ounces, but these things are super light, so it doesn't really matter. But I'm pretty sure that the basic water filtration system, which I'm sure is this right here, these two pieces, that it does come in right at 3 ounces, so this thing will add no weight to your pack. It is awesome because what you do is you take this end and you take it and you screw it into your water bottle, and then a dirty water bottle. So you'll have one water bottle that you'll fill up with dirty water, so you'll take that dirty water bottle and you will, like I said, screw it onto here, screw the filter onto the dirty water bottle. You'll take that and you'll squeeze it into another water bottle that's totally saved and set apart for the clean water, and it's pretty good flow rate, and you squeeze it directly through, and as soon as it's in that other water bottle, you're free to drink from that clean water bottle. The Sawyer Squeeze really offers a lot of versatility because it will screw onto a lot of different options, including hydration packs. A lot of hydration packs will have the piece that fits this, and so you can fill up a whole lot of water in your hydration pack if you have one of those in your backpack. And then as you're going along, you can screw this onto there and squeeze more water into your clean water bottle. Or if you don't want to do that, you can simply, at the water source, like I said, use that dirty water bottle and squeeze directly into that clean water bottle. Now, like I said, the number one pro that the Sawyer has going for itself with the Squeeze is basically how portable it is and how lightweight it is. And it really does have a long filter lifespan. This thing, good after quite the few uses still, as long as, and this would probably be the biggest con, I guess I'd say, is if you do want this to last you a long time, you need to perform regular back flushing on it, and it gives you a little syringe for that you can use in the pack, but you need to regularly back flush it so that way it maintains optimal performance. Another con that I might say for it is it's not totally suitable probably for large quantities of water. It doesn't do bad with it at all. Like I said, it has a really good flow rate, and I think you can hook it up to some gravity systems too, but it's just not the number one probably for large quantities of water. The Sawyer does a little bit better on the price. The Sawyer kit is right at, I think, $40. You can find it probably for a little more, a little less. like I said, 40 US dollars. So it's not terribly expensive, but it's also not definitely the cheapest option. So that's the Sawyer Squeeze water filtration system. And now for the final water filtration system style of the day, which is the gravity fed water system. Now, like I said, the Sawyer Squeeze kind of does it, but one that I picked today that totally focuses on the gravity style is the SimPure gravity water filter. That is the SimPure gravity water filter. Now, full disclosure, SimPure has collaborated with me to send me this equipment and allow me to go test it out over the latest trip that I just did here in Central Tennessee. But I promise you that I will remain unbiased in my assessment. Now, this nifty system comes with a lot of pieces because it is focusing on the gravity fed part of the filtration styles. It comes with a straw and the bag and the filter with a little tree strap. Now, I'm not sure exactly what is all counted in the weight, but it probably just, the basic components of the system comes right around to 3.2 ounces. So that's just 0.2 ounces more than the Sawyer Squeeze. So this one also definitely contends for the lightweight backpacking water filters. You use this water filter by filling up the bag over here. You slide off this top piece and you fill up the water bag. Then you will slide the piece back onto there to lock the water in there, and then you hang it up on a tree with this tree strap. This hose connects down to the water filter, and the water filter then can empty into a water bottle. Now, the thing that I did realize, like I said, I'm gonna be totally honest with you guys. The thing that I realized that I don't exactly know, and if you guys do know, let me know in the comments. This piece might be it. No, I think this is just an adapter right here, but I just didn't really see a way for it to be simply put into a water bottle. Everything hooked up well, it filtered well, pretty good flow rate. Big bag of water. This is a 3-liter bag of water. So everything worked well. I just didn't see a good way to then put the water into a water bottle. Like, I had to find a way to balance the water bottle against a tree or something, and it would kind of fall over a lot. If you guys see something here, this is all that's in the box. If you guys see something here that you're like, oh, this is how I would have done it, then let me know. But as far as I could tell, I didn't see the best way to put it into a water bottle. But other than that, it's still great. Like I said, 3.2 ounces, so it is super close to the weight of the Sawyer. It holds a whole lot of capacity in this bag. It's super good for like group camping, where you have to provide a lot of filtered water for some people, just fill up the whole bag, leave it hanging there. The con, I guess, is the flow rate isn't as good as the Grail or maybe even as the Sawyer Squeeze, where it's pressurized. Pressurized systems are always going to be faster than the gravity-fed systems, but it still has a pretty good flow rate. So its pro is definitely how lightweight it is, as well as providing a big option for a lot of water being filtered at once. Also, I guess another con would be if you don't have many trees around, if you're out in the desert somewhere. But then again, if you're in the desert, you wouldn't really be picking up a lot of water in this bag anyways, probably. But, if you're just thinking like, okay, I don't have many trees around to hang the gravity filter up on, it might be a little bit more of a pain. So something here that I really want you guys to pay attention to that is a big pro with this thing, which catches my eye every time because I love good prices. And this one is up on Membrane Solutions website, which is the SimPure, the same brand there. Membrane Solutions, SimPure gravity water filtration system. The price is right at $27. But not only that, since they collaborated with me, they have set up a discount code for me. So my discount code is outdoor, just like the outdoors, all lowercase, outdoor, singular. And if you use that discount code, they'll give you an extra 20% off of your purchase. So, if you do some math there, that's probably an extra $5 off. So this thing definitely wins against the other three when considering price. This thing's gonna be probably under $25 by the time you purchase it. It has a good flow rate, it's lightweight, So if you're looking for something, and you don't want to put a whole lot of money down for something else like the Grail Ultra Press or something, the SimPure gravity water filtration system is definitely a great option for you. I was pretty happy with my trip when I used it, and I'm definitely happy with that price. Like I said, at checkout, use my code OUTDOOR for an extra 20% off of your purchase. So to summarize, like I said at the beginning, it really doesn't matter what water filter you bring as long as it does its job and it does a quality job and it fits your style of backpacking. If it's group camping or if it's where you simply need to just quickly squeeze it through, or if you want something that's a little heavier but really convenient because it's like a water bottle that filters it itself, it's really up to you and your style of backpacking. Like I said, this Grail absolutely brings in the convenience, and the Sawyer Squeeze brings in that lightweight component, and then the SimPure gravity water filter is actually not far off on the weight, and it provides that large quantities of filtered water that you need. So like I said, it's up to you to decide what water filter system you need and what fits your backpacking needs, and this is definitely just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to water filtration systems, but I just thought I'd help you break it down and bring up some options for you to consider when you're looking to purchase that water filter. So there you have it. A big thank you for SimPure for sending me some of their gear for me to try out outside. It was a lot of fun when I went on that last backpacking trip and got to try out their gear. Huge thank you to them. As always, stay hydrated, stay safe, enjoy the great outdoors. I'll catch you next time. Enjoy your backpacking.